Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a floral arrangement that you can place anywhere in your home. So now these white roses, I did purchase them from the Dollar Trees Plus section. Then we also have some silver poinsettias that I also purchased there. I also have a candy ribbon, I should say a candy cane ribbon. And then the vase itself was DIY. So I love making floral arrangements, and especially the white ones. And the nice thing about these is that you can give them out as a gift. You can place them in any area of your home and just change out the ribbon, and or even put different picks inside of it. Guys, I'm just giving you a simple idea that you can use in your home anywhere in the house. Now, for those of you who are always here visiting my channel, you know that I absolutely love white florals. So all I did was add the silver ones along the bottom, and this automatically makes it festive and Christmassy. Okay, and then of course the ribbon, which is candy cane ribbon, is going to go ahead and top that off, and I don't have to do very much to make a statement with these roses. Okay, so aren't these looking beautiful, guys? So the next thing to do is go ahead and add the ribbon, fluff these out, move them around until you like them, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now I'm tying a ribbon around the actual vase, but you can actually place this on a pick and then go ahead and stick that anywhere on the top arrangement. Now let's go take a closer look. Now, doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? I am loving it, and I hope you do as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. And have a Merry, Merry Christmas.